Hello everybody. Today cooking diary is gonna be roasted plantain. So I was like, what are we going to cook today? I don't have much thing to cook because I was planning to go to the market tomorrow. As you can see, I decided to do roasted plantain. I'm done peeling and I'm done my salt. So I am going to start roasting it on top of my hanger. This is actually my local firewood frying chemical. So see me placing my plantain. Are you seeing it? See me placing my plantain. Are you guys seeing it? Plenty placing it. Oh, bole. So I'll be going to the farm now to plug otazi I will use for my sauce to enjoy this plantain. So see my otazi and also my pepper too. I plug this pepper from the farm too. So I'm going to pound my pepper, I'm going to pound my otasi and my onion and my oil, salt, and my sauce is ready. So guys, see, I see, my sauce is ready, guys. My sauce is ready. Oh, no, hold the sauce. Oh, my bole is ready, guys. My bole is ready. Oh, no, for the thing there. So the queen, look at me. The queen, look at me. I'm enjoying it. Enjoying it, guys. Enjoying it, guys. See me enjoying my roasted bole. No, for you. If I don't so guys. So guys, do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Do not forget to share. Do not forget to follow. Do not forget to also comment.